What heathen makes hot cocoa with water? Okay. Do us. Oh, that's why. That's why it doesn't taste creamy. That's why it doesn't taste like it has milk. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Again, I'm joined by my husband, Aaron, and we are going to do a hot cocoa taste test.
Now, I gotta warn you, if you guys drink this hot chocolate at home, it might not taste as good because hot chocolate tastes better when you're wearing a cardigan.
So I mixed these according to the package directions. I measured the milk and the cocoa, and I did use milk, not water, and they did all state that you should mix them with water, but use milk for richer flavor. And what heathen makes hot cocoa with water? Okay. To us.
Now, what do you want when you taste hot chocolate? What makes a good hot chocolate to you?
Well, I like it to be very rich and creamy. I feel like who doesn't? I do like for there to be a noticeable salt content. Okay. And I like a very a rich chocolatey flavor.
I also like a good salt content because to me it's like you got the bitter of the chocolate. You got to have some salt to have that complexity, and it masks the bitterness. It makes a new flavor.
I can taste the salt in this, and I actually really like it.
But there's something also, there's something weird in that.
It is very thick. It might be a little on the artificially thick side for me.
And for me, hot chocolate should have a complex flavor. I'm looking for depth of flavor in hot chocolate.
Okay. To me, this is a little sweet and a little one note.
I don't like that at all.
Moving right along.
Not even my cardigan didn't even save that one.
You're gonna like him.
Don't personify it. It makes it creepy. It's like naming a pig that you're about to turn into bacon.
Well, there's like...
It could be a her.
There's like a foam on top.
That's good.
That's a little off-putting, I think.
No, I like it.
Okay, and then it's just like, this is bursting with chocolate flavor.
It's so much darker than this one.
It is, and I found that honestly a little off-putting.
Yeah, I don't normally like the dark chocolate. I'm not a bit of dark chocolate. I like milk chocolate.
It doesn't look very creamy.
But that is good. It tastes creamy.
Very chocolatey.
Yeah.
Wait, so we have
best. Yeah.
Okay, so
this is definitely a better word. This shouldn't even be in the frame.
Stop. No. Oh.
Oh. It's hard. These are both disgusting. We're talking about hot chocolate in a cardigan.
No, this one. If I hadn't fixed these myself, I would think someone was punking me. This is so bloody awful.
Have you ever had one of the Keurig hot chocolate? That's the worst thing I've ever put in my mouth.
I have bitter aftertaste. I have a bitter aftertaste.
Oh.
I'm sorry, what were you saying? A Keurig?
None of these are Keurig. We don't have a Keurig. But the Keurig hot chocolate is the worst thing I think I've ever tasted.
Well, it's mixed with water, so of course.
Next to this one's delicious.
Oh my goodness. You know, if you're at like an outdoor winter event and you see that they're selling hot cocoa and you're so excited because it's so cold, it's so exciting, the lights and everywhere, and then you pay, you know, $5.50 for this cup of hot chocolate and they hand you a styrofoam cup of a Keurig capsule.
Oh.
It is so like the most, I feel like I'm actually bitter toward Keurig because of those sorts of disappointing experiences.
I agree. So this is like water, but it's bitter at the same time. Like, you sure you made this with milk?
Yes. I made them all with milk, right? It doesn't even taste like it was made with milk.
It's terrible.
Water did not come near them.
Now taste this one, which I thought was horrible.
This one is fine compared to that.
I drink this one, now it tastes good next to that one.
Oh, yes. Delightful.
This one's really good. This one's good. I haven't even gotten to that one, but this one's good.
This is so good. And it has that salt. The salt that I was talking about. The deep chocolate flavor.
And it's got the complexity that I was talking about.
Oh, this is very good too, though.
This one's not too sweet, too. Like, yeah, this is good.
Okay, I'm ready to unveil. Let's find out.
We're not messing around on this one.
I kind of want to know who to blame. Let's check this guy first. Oh. You want to know who made that?
Oh.
This is Starbucks hot cocoa.
And
I'm not sad.
I bet you that was the most expensive one too.
Probably. Oh, Starbucks. Oh, Starbucks.
What did they put in this?
You know, I heard
Cane sugar, cocoa, processed with alkali, whatever, natural vanilla flavor.
it's only sugar and cocoa and vanilla.
Yeah.
Oh, that's why. That's why it doesn't taste creamy. That's why it doesn't taste like it has milk. Okay, and this one does say to make it with milk. It doesn't say to make it with water. Because these all have, you know, basically coffee creamer. These all have, you know, well, not coffee creamer. They have powdered milk in them.
Oh, it's so bad.
Why would you do that? Yeah. Okay, so...
Like, if I was using this maybe like as an ingredient where I knew it was this bitter flavor, but I was going to build on that.
Yeah, it's called cocoa powder.
Yeah.
They sell that.
Yeah.
Sorry to cut you off. Yes, that's a good point.
And when I first tried this one, I hated it. But when I drink it next to this one's so bad, it makes this one like at least drinkable.
And see, that's why it's good that you had other girlfriends before me. You cut that part out.
Swiss Miss.
Oh, it's Swiss Miss?
Swiss Miss. Which I'm surprised. I would have thought the Swiss Miss would have been a lot better. So that's my surprise of the day.
Swiss Miss.
And yeah, this has sugar, corn syrup, modified whey cocoa.
Modified whey and cocoa. Modified whey, cocoa.
Hydrogenated coconut oil. Yeah, this one's full of all kinds of weird ingredients. Nestle.
Well,
Nestle was good. I liked this.
So
this
much
one was
for
good.
Nestle makes the very best.
It was good. If we put like a homemade marshmallow in this, can you imagine how good that would be? I can't even imagine it.
Oh yeah. And the winner, Hershey's.
I would not have expected that.
Okay, so the ingredients on the Hershey's, look at it compared to the Nestle and the Swiss Miss. Very few ingredients. So you have the sugar, milk, whey, cocoa, cream. This one has cream.
Cream and salt, that's I think what does it.
Cream and salt.
This one second ingredient is corn syrup.
And I don't know if this is a new
I've
product.
never seen that one before.
I had never seen this before.
It's not like the Hershey's you get in a brown, kind of canister.
Yeah, it's not Hershey's cocoa. I mean, clearly they made this with Hershey's cocoa, but...
Yeah, and that was by far the best.
Hershey's.
Maybe we should do a marshmallow taste test. Wait, marshmallows, unless they're homemade, kind of all taste the same though, right?
Yes, I feel so. Okay. We didn't do a thumbnail. You can cut this out.
What is the best way to close a video? Not goodbye, see you again.
Comment below. Oh, well, this was a lot of fun. Thank you for joining us. Please subscribe. Bye. We're wonky walkers. We're a walking wonky bit. Oh, Starbucks, you suck.